Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to wrap text in WordPress. Let's get started. So as of right now, I'm actually on this particular page. So what I can do is I can click on this plus icon right here and search in here for media and text. I have this right here, so I'll just head over and click on it. And then once you have clicked on it, it will be added to any part of the page. And as you can see here, is right here. So let's first head over and add in here a content. I have this particular content right here. Now you can also edit out how it looks like on the typography right here. You can change the size if you want as well. I'll only make this small, or I can also make this medium, or depending on what I want. So I have made it small. So right now let's head over and select a media that we want to add for this one. So let's choose our media library. And for this one, let's head over and then choose this. Click on select. And as you can see, it's been added. Now you can see in here some options, such as this vertical alignment, align, and you can also choose in here this show media on the left and show media on the right. And as you can see, they have changed just like that. You can also click on this right here in order to select the parent group, and also this ones that you can see right here. But basically, this two right here will determine the wrap text of this particular media. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.